In this tutorial, we will design a tension-only concentrically braced frame member in ETABS and compare the software results with manual calculations. The objective is to verify how ETABS evaluates the tensile capacity of a steel brace according to AISC design provisions. The model consists of a single-story steel frame. The frame width is 4 meters and the story height is 3 meters. A diagonal brace connects the bottom of the left column to the top of the right column. An 8-ton lateral load is applied at beam level. Before opening ETABS, let's estimate the brace force manually. The expected tensile force in the brace is 10 tons. Notice that the brace force is larger than the applied load. This happens because only the horizontal component of the brace force resists the lateral load. As the brace angle becomes flatter, the axial force increases significantly. This is one reason why brace geometry is important in structural design. Now we define the brace section. Go to Define gives section properties gives frame sections. Select Add new property. Choose Steel rod. Specify a diameter of 25 millimeters. Then assign the section to the brace member. Next, open. Design gives Steel frame design gives view. Provides preferences. Select Ordinary Concentrically Braced Frame, or OCBF, for this educational example. Seismic compactness checks are ignored so that only the tensile capacity of the member controls the design. Why OCBF? Concentrically braced frames resist lateral loads primarily through axial forces in the braces. Compared with moment frames, they usually provide higher stiffness and smaller lateral drift with less steel weight. This makes them one of the most efficient lateral load-resisting systems. Tension-only assumption, open. Design gives Steel frame design gives view, revise overwrites. Assign major unbrace length ratio equals 0.01. Minor unbrace length ratio equals 0.01. Compression capacity equals 100 ton. The purpose is to eliminate compression buckling effects and force ETABS to design the member based only on tensile strength. Run the steel design procedure, then open the detailed design report for the brace member. The software reports both compression and tension capacities according to AISC 360. The design report shows a factored compression capacity of 90 tons. The reported tensile capacity is 60 ton. The applied tensile force is 10 tons, exactly matching the manual analysis. Let's verify the tensile capacity manually. The manual calculation perfectly matches the ETABS result. This example confirms that ETABS correctly calculates the tensile capacity and utilization ratio of a tension-only steel brace. Always verify at least one member manually to ensure that the software results are consistent with engineering calculations. Now let's review the stress ratio reported by ETABS. The utilization ratio for the brace is 0.943 because the ratio is less than 1.0. The brace satisfies the strength requirements and passes the design check. A ratio close to 1.0 generally indicates an efficient design, where the member capacity is being utilized without being overstressed.